In a significant boost to India's naval power, the United States has approved a $175 million deal to sell Mk-54 lightweight torpedoes for India's MH-60R Seahawk helicopters. These helicopters, key assets in India's anti-submarine warfare, will now have an enhanced capability to detect and neutralize underwater threats. The deal includes 53 Mk-54 Mod 0 lightweight torpedoes, launch accessories, training, and spare parts. These torpedoes are designed specifically for missions where speed and precision are critical. Combined with the capabilities of the MH-60R helicopters, they will significantly enhance the Indian Navy's operational capacity. The MH-60R helicopters, also known as Romeos, are the backbone of India's anti-submarine and surface warfare operations. Designed to operate from ships and land bases, they offer unmatched versatility. These helicopters come equipped with advanced sonar systems, missile capabilities, and now, they will carry the Mk-54 torpedoes. With these torpedoes, the helicopters can engage hostile submarines from long distances, keeping Indian waters secure. Let's dive into the heart of the deal, the Mk-54 lightweight torpedo. Known for its compact yet lethal design, this torpedo is specifically developed for anti-submarine warfare (ASW) and is optimized for shallow water environments, making it an ideal weapon in the complex waters of the Indian Ocean. Its capabilities allow it to detect, track, and engage enemy submarines with high precision, giving the Indian Navy an edge in undersea warfare. This deal is a part of India's larger strategy to bolster its defense forces in the face of rising maritime challenges, particularly from neighboring countries like China. With China's increasing naval presence in the Indian Ocean, India's focus on anti-submarine warfare has never been more important. The addition of the Mk-54 torpedoes will complement India's growing surface fleet and add to the country's maritime deterrence capabilities. This sale also marks another milestone in the growing defense partnership between the US and India. Over recent years, the two nations have strengthened their military ties, with India emerging as a significant defense partner. From multi-billion-dollar arms deals to joint naval exercises, the collaboration reflects both nations' commitment to ensuring peace and stability in the Indo-Pacific region. With the increasing presence of Chinese submarines in the Indian Ocean, these new capabilities will play a crucial role in maintaining maritime dominance. The sale of these torpedoes also aligns with the broader strategy to counter China's influence in the region. As India strengthens its anti-submarine warfare capabilities, it also sends a clear message: India is prepared to defend its maritime borders from any threat. Looking ahead, India's defense acquisitions, such as the Mk-54 torpedoes, will play a pivotal role in shaping its naval doctrine. This deal, coupled with future naval expansions, could see India becoming one of the leading maritime powers in the world. As the Indian Navy continues to modernize, its ability to protect key trade routes, safeguard its coastlines, and project power in the region will be unmatched. The addition of the Mk-54 torpedoes represents not just a tactical upgrade, but a strategic leap for India's naval forces. As India continues to build its defense capabilities, these moves ensure a safer and more secure future for the nation in an increasingly complex world. If you found this breakdown informative, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth analysis on global defense and security. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.